Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog series. This time we are going back over the pond to Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. I'm so excited, I cannot wait. I am being reunited with some of my favourite people. It's going to be an amazing trip, literally like what is lined up and you guys are going to see. It's going to be amazing. Epic Universe, we're doing Volcano Bay, we're doing Studios, we're doing Islands of Adventures, we are doing Mardi Gras, which is the whole reason I'm going out there for, is to sip on the margaritas, try some yummy food from around the world, and honestly, it's just going to be amazing. I'm actually so excited. I don't know if you can tell, but I should say, welcome back to my subscribers. And if you don't subscribe, please consider subscribing. It really helps boost the channel, and I hope you come along for the journey. I think everything is packed, and if you have watched my YouTube vlogs before, you will know I am a serial overpacker. It's a running joke between me and my husband Gabriel. It's a running joke between me and my friends. It's a running joke between me and some of my lovely followers on my social channels. But look how empty my case is looking. Okay, it doesn't look that empty on here, but there's a lot of space. There's a lot of space in here, guys. Because normally when I go on these trips, I tend to overpack, but I also tend to buy a lot while I'm out there. So I've taken a really big case this time to just try and preempt any buy-in. Because if you'd watch which one was it? If you go back and watch the opening of Epic Universe series, you would have probably seen that I struggled really hard to pack my suitcase coming home. So I was like, we're not having that this time. I'm going to take a bigger suitcase and everything will fit. It'll be fine. And I've just been very organised and used my stylist head and organised all my outfits. So everything is done and it's all set. We are flying from London Gatwick, South Terminal. We are flying over to Florida with Norse Airways. Flew with them last September for the first time to LA. We are flying Premium Biz, which is their premium economy, which I absolutely love. So you will get to see a little tour of the plane beforehand, and yeah, then we'll just be getting on our way. But right now, it is time to close the suitcase and it's time to get on our way to the airport. So see you guys at the airport shortly. Okay, we are here. Very easy journey. It's very cold, guys. I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt, but luckily did bring a hoodie just in case. But yeah, gonna leave this grey, dreary UK behind and head over to Florida. Gonna go and check in, and then we're gonna go to the #1 lounge. So yeah, cannot wait.
Which I love duty-free, but if you're not actually going to be buying or looking at it, you're literally walking right through.
Literally. And like this brings you up at the top bit of the departure, so you haven't got to go through all of that.
Yeah.
Come through and go all the way up. Yeah, this actually brings you out top floor.
I just got like for checking in through security.
That literally was so, I mean, apart from my check-in, it was quick.
But I mean, it's only quarter to 11, it's nice.
Alright, where are we going now? Lounges. So we are off to the #1 lounge, which is just in the corner by the Wonder Tree restaurant, just over here. And then it is just at the end of the corridor there. Okay guys, we are now on the flight. This is the Premium Biz area aboard the plane. As you can see, there's so much space by the seats. You get your pillow, you get your blanket, the TV comes out on the side, little pouch bit. You just literally click this button, lift, and it comes out. So it really stows away nicely and tidily, so it doesn't take any extra space. But let's see what they have in store for us today. So on the movies, they have a very broad selection of movies, shall I say. Cinderella Story, what else have they got? Birds of Prey, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Creed. Yes, as you can see, a very wide variety of movies. So if you're not into that thing, I would suggest downloading before. TV series, Two Broke Girls. don't know what Call Me Cat is. Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz. ER. Friends. But again, these are all random episodes and series. On the marketplace is where you can order drinks, snacks and food to your seat. So you can get cocktails. Oh, margarita, yes please. Tonic water, they've got Jack Daniels, they've got dairy milk, they've got Candy Box Scandinavia, whatever that is. Haribo. Honestly guys, they actually do have a lot of selection on here. If I go down a bit more, this is the hot food snack selection that they have. So you've got butter chicken with basmati rice, you've got a daily hot snack, you've got a sandwich, you've got French fries, which always sells out by the way, so get them quick if you want to. They have a section of teas, coffees. Wow. If you go into, if the screen wants to work, the complimentary section on your screen, that is where you will see everything that is free of charge. So Coke Zero waters, you've got Sprite, you've got beer, wine, sparkling wine, which is Prosecco, eye masks, all that sort of stuff, and more tea. So lunch has been served. We have got chicken and polenta, which smells actually really tasty. So I love like the bakedness of this. Then we have for starters, we've got a little mozzarella salad. Dessert, we've got a cheesecake. Comes with a bread roll. These little cute salt and pepper pots. So cute. They like magnet together. So we have about an hour left or so of the flight, and then come around with an afternoon snack. This is an afternoon tea. It's got a selection of sandwiches, you've got scone, jam, clotted cream. One of my most favourite things about flying with Norse is the rainbow lights that they put on when you have about 20 minutes or so before landing. It's basically like your arrival lights. So these rainbow lights, as you can see, they're changing, and they go all the way down the length of the plane and then come back around again, and they keep going until we've landed. I just think it's a really cute, nice touch, and also it's just that like, woohoo, we're finally there. So guys, we have landed. We were delayed by 50 minutes, so the flight took longer than expected, but it was a very nice flight. Norse always been great. This is my second time flying with them, and it was just as good as the first time. So much leg room, so comfortable. It just felt like it went on a little bit, but it was good. It was nice. I actually didn't watch any any film on this flight. I can't talk. Any films on this flight. I was just sitting there reading, looking out the window, having a bit of nap, chatting with Ali, because I'm on the trip with Ali. If you've seen my previous vlogs, you will know who she is. She's an absolute babe, but she'll be popping up in this vlog more. What we're doing now, we are waiting for everyone to get through passport, and then we're going to head on our transfer, and we're going over to Sapphire Falls, which I've never stayed at. I've always wanted to stay at, so I am mega excited. So I'll pick up with you guys once I'm in my room. Okay guys, I am all checked in. I'm now making my way to the room. It's so exciting to be here in a different hotel. When I've been before, I've been in Stella Nova and Terra Luna. So this is my first time on like the North Campus. So I am all the way down here, I think. Look at the hallways, are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty they are, guys. This carpet is gorgeous. 2217. Here's me. Right, this is the bit where I can never get in the room gracefully, holding the camera. Ooh. Oh my god. Shut the door, turn the lights on. Oh wow. This is nice. quick overview, but I'll give a full room tour in a minute. Okay, so because we got here late, I'm going to drop my bags. I'm going to run to hopefully get food in the restaurant. If not, I will order room service probably. But I will give you guys a full room tour. Everything else, I will catch up with you guys in just a second. Okay guys, I have come to, what's this called? The Strong Water Tavern. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Not been here before, guys. I am with the wonderful Ali. We have just, of course, first things first, we've ordered drinks straight away. So I've gone for a classic marg, as always, and Ali has gone for something that looks very strong.
Looks like it's going to kill me.
What's it called?
It's a treasure of the something, but it's rum with a giant ice cube in it. I just said give me something with banana in it, and this is what I've got. So will it taste like banana? I don't know.
Give it a try, go on, do it on camera.
Oh yeah.
Good.
It's definitely strong. Feeling a pirate.
So we have ordered some food to come as well, which I will show you when it arrives. But for now, we're going to wind down over a drink and enjoy the night. So guys, food has arrived. We have got buttermilk chicken tenders with a buffalo sauce and these massive wedges, and also the cutest little ketchup pot of ketchup, should I say. And then these beasts of pork belly tacos, which are stuffed with filling. I cannot wait to dig into these. So we're going to get in. Okay, pals, I am back in the room. Wonderful little dinner there with my lovely Ali. We were meant to have like welcome drinks and dinner, but we just got here so late. So me and Ali just thought we'll just go and do our own thing, which was lovely. The food was incredible. So Ali told me, she's been here before, she told me how great the food was. And honestly, guys, it was amazing. That pork belly taco was freaking incredible. And the buttermilk chicken tenders with that buffalo sauce and those wedges, stunning. And that margarita, you just can't go wrong with margarita. But anyway, it is now 10 past midnight. So I need to get all my stuff ready for tomorrow because the first day is Epic Universe. And we are going from open to close. So it's going to be a long day, but Epic has a very special place in my heart. If you are new to the channel, I went to a very special preview. So before it opened to the public, I went to a preview trip there, which you can go and watch. And then I also went to the grand opening of it, which was amazing. So yeah, I can't wait to go back. But anyway, enough about that, Scott. We are going to give you a room tour, which is a beautiful room. So you come in the door here. Straight away, you've got this amazing mirror. Nice cozy travel day set from River Island. Shout out to the brand. So yeah, you come in. You've got these amazing wardrobes, which is huge. Plenty of hanging space. You've got your safe in the wall here. We've got a luggage rack, ironing board, iron, pillows, and then a hairdryer. And then, if we turn around the other side, we've got the sink. We've got extra towels and hand towels underneath. Got your tissues, got a little amenities box there. Of course, you've got your glasses, you've got a shower cap, you've got, ooh, a hand and body cream. Lovely. Hand soap, got a lovely makeup mirror. Hello. And then we've got your bathroom, well, your toilet, loo roll bin, toilet roll, lovely shower. Ooh. Oh my gosh, yes, it's got even a little seat if you want to have a perch. You've got body wash, hand and body wash, conditioner, shampoo, a bath bar. So it looks like you just got your normal shower head. And then for your wet clothes, you've got a little washing line there to hang them up. That's actually really handy. And then let me shut that. You also have a door which you can close if you wish to. And then for the boudoir, how stunning is this, guys? This feels so relaxing already. So you've got 2 queen-size beds here. Got a massive TV. And then we've got loads of... Oh, there's drawers inside the cupboards. Plenty of cupboard space. Quite deep. So you've got 4 of them. And then you've got your coffee machine. And then in here's your fridge. Kind of cold. But always good to keep your waters in overnight or something. And then here we've got some glasses. Fiji water, which will cost you $8. Ice bucket. Lovely desk actually. And a lovely chair. That's nice. Got a little drawer. Nothing in the drawer. Lovely piece of art here. And then here you've got the rundown, which is basically just all the information you might need. So like time of checkout, if you want to go to the gym, the ice machines, all kinds of stuff like that. And you also have the option of in-room dining, which you can order directly to your room. And then, oh, another lovely little chair here. So you probably can't see it, but if I open the curtains, my room looks out over the pool. Can't really see it. There we go. So the swimming pool is just over here behind this palm tree here. But these are little cabanas that you can... I'm guessing, I don't know if you can rent them, I'm guessing. I'm not sure. That you can get while you're there. Shut that. And then we've got 2 lamps. 2 smaller lamps. Got your alarm clock, your phone. Got your plug sockets which are just USB, not USB-C. And then, oh, got your Bible if you're into that. Little space underneath. And another nice bit of art. And that is it. Very quick and efficient room tour there for you guys. But right now, oh my gosh, should not have done that. Really should not have done that. Now I don't want to move. That was also a very unflattering angle. But yeah, I'm going to get unpacking. I'm going to get my stuff ready for tomorrow. And yeah, thank you guys so much for following me along on this travel day. I'm sorry if it's been a bit chaotic. It's been a bit here, there and everywhere, to be honest. I feel like I haven't really vlogged that well. I feel like it's been ages since I've actually vlogged, so I'm kind of forgetting how to do this. But we're back, and we're back with a new series. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching and spending your time with me. Please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps boost it. Please do like, please do share, please comment if you've stayed here before. I want to hear everything, guys. But yeah, for now, it is good night for me, and I will see you next time.